time for kids. Today, I teach you English. Let's start your homework. Bring your book and pencil. Sit properly. Write your history. Don't rush. Take your time. Read this one aloud. Listen carefully. Hold your pencil properly. Erase it. Underline again. Well done. Keep going. Do one more question. Can you spell this word? Put the picture and tell me. Finish this page first. Check your work. Don't forget photo. Color in the lines. Let's take a short break. All 5 minutes left. Homework done. Good job. Underline the answer. To be at the meaning. Don't look here and there. Say the numbers in order. Let's pick your bag from tomorrow. Like, share, comment on my video. See you again. Bye-bye.